Why are we having all these huge wind gusts? First of all, I love the temperatures, but
Right.
it did get breezy at times out there.
Well, it was those winds, though, the southerly winds that did bring our temperatures way up this afternoon. So, yes, we hate the wind, but we kind of love it, too.
Yeah, kind of love it, right?
Unfortunately, it was quite a bit of a nuisance. We did have some higher wind gusts upwards of 58, and if you want the science behind it, it's because we're in between two strong pressure systems, and you get that strong pressure gradient, and you get the high winds there.
I knew that. I knew that.
I figured you did.
Yeah, sure.
But hey, if you're not a fan of the winds, they're going to be going away. Yes, it will be still a little bit windy this evening and breezy tonight, but tomorrow changes, as you so nicely said earlier.
Yes.
Yeah, and unfortunately with the changes come some cooler temperatures as well. But today, we hit 67 degrees. Just shy of our record of 69. By the way, Akron Canton, you broke your record at 67, so you have a new record today. Last year it was a different story. We weren't talking about record highs, we were talking about record lows, and we started off February 20th last year at 17 below. So isn't it nice to be on the other end of things this year? And it's still quite nice out there right now. I'm sure you're starting up the grill, getting ready to put the steak or the burgers on. We're at 60 degrees in Willoughby, just changed to 64 in Solon, mid-60s North Olmsted, 66 degrees Canton. Now those along the immediate lakeshore, winds have switched out of the northwest, tracking a very weak cold front that's going to be pushing through the evening hours. You can see that northwesterly wind, and of course it's coming over our rather cold lake, so temperatures have dropped in the mid-40s near the lake. Still wind gusts upwards of around 25 to 30 miles per hour, a little bit better than what we were this afternoon. We were still gusting to 40 and 50. So it's going to get better as we get into the night tonight and into your day tomorrow. But this is such a beautiful sight. We did see lots of sunshine today, thanks to a high pressure in the area. Here's what's going on. I want to show you the 24-hour temperature change. We're about 4 degrees warmer than what we were yesterday. Very warm on the East Coast, but we do have some cold air lurking to the north and west of us. In fact, Detroit's about 4 degrees colder, and cold front pushing through. That's what's going to be our changer right now. This cold front will be slipping in through the night tonight. All it's going to do, bring some cloud cover. This low along the Ohio River Valley is going to miss us, but if you do have plans to travel to the south, you will hit some rain tomorrow morning. For us with this front, some clouds, and also thanks to the low, some clouds again tomorrow morning. Those along the lake, northern spots, cloudy for most of your day. The further south you head, the farther south you head, excuse me, that's where you're going to see some sunshine at least. So some peaks of sun from time to time, but for the most part, clouds will win out tomorrow, and it's going to be much colder. Temperatures back into the 40s. 38 degrees tonight. Clouds will be increasing. Winds out of the west at 10 to 15. Northerly winds 5 to 10 tomorrow. 43 degrees. So big difference from today. We're talking about a 25-degree drop here. And as we head into the last week of upper 20s.
But the lowest temperature I saw on that was 17 for low. You said our low last year on this day minus 17?
Minus 17.
So if I did my math right, correct me if I'm wrong, we're 84 degrees warmer on this February day than we were last year.
Let me see there.
Am I right?
You got it.
84 degrees.
Your math's great.
We'll take that. There's the cheer. All right. Thanks, Jen.
You're welcome.
Still ahead.
Still going to be blustery this evening. Those winds will start to die down a little bit as you head into tonight and tomorrow. But the headlines, cooler Sunday. So we're not talking about record warmth tomorrow. In fact, we're going to be talking about a 20 to 25 degree drop from where we are right now. Still above normal though, so there's the bright side of it. Normal high for this time of year, 39 degrees. Our next system Tuesday night. It'll start with snow, change over to rain-snow mix at times, and then back to snow as we wrap it up on Thursday. So this is one system that we need to be watching. The track could shift and change over the next several days here, so it could mean more rain or it could mean more snow. So we'll fine-tune that forecast as we get into this week. Ending February, cold and snowy. We're back into the 30s and upper 20s for daytime highs, and lake effect snow chances, well, they're going to be up at the end of the week. Today, though, I wanted to show you this graphic again because it's so nice to see 67 degrees in February, right? Well above the average and just shy of our record of 69 degrees set back in 1930. It's still lovely out there, despite the wind. 59 degrees in Lorain, 62 Mansfield, 63 Akron, Canton, and Ashtabula. You're coming in at 54. Can you smell the burgers cooking in your backyard? I know, it is just a gorgeous night tonight as far as temperature goes, but winds are still up there. Sustained winds anywhere between, I'd say, 10 to upwards of 18. Gusting, though, 25 to 30. So winds still up there right now, but that's going to change. Cold front pushing through. Right along the lake, winds have switched out of the northwest, so temperatures there are in the 40s. That front will sink to the south. An area of low pressure will move along the Ohio River Valley. That's where the shot of rain is going to go. Northeast Ohio is going to be rain-free, but a reinforcing weak cold front will bring in some cooler air as we wrap up the day. Temperatures back into the 30s. So here's a look at your 8-day forecast. Tomorrow, 43 degrees, mostly cloudy sky. Back into the mid-30s on Monday. Tuesday, lots of sunshine, 43. But then as we get into Tuesday night, Wednesday, Thursday, rain, snow, changing back over to a rain-snow mix, and then snow again. We're going to see temperatures all over the place and some snow that could possibly accumulate in some spots. Plus, the wind will be back Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and feeling more like February or even colder than that as we head into the upcoming